What's up everyone? Today I'm showing you how to make green salsa. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Mexican Cooking Academy, where we celebrate Mexican food, heritage, and culture. And I've been obsessed for years now with Mexican food. So in 2020, I decided to make the move right down to Mexico from California and bring the food to the rest of the world. So that's what we are doing today. We are making, as I said, green salsa or salsa verde. There are many variations on this salsa, and I have many of those on my channel, but this is another one that I think is really good. This is a raw green salsa. So that means you're not doing any cooking, you're just blending all your ingredients together. For this particular recipe, you want to have 1 pound of tomatillos or green tomatoes, which is about 450 grams. You want about 10 grams of minced cilantro, 1 clove of garlic, salt, and 1 chile serrano. As always, you'll find this recipe down below in the description. And if you love Mexican food culture as much as I do, then hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And that's gonna give you more content from me in the future. Now, with every video, I try to research something interesting about the history of the dish, maybe the names or whatnot. And for this video, I actually ended up learning a little bit more about chile serranos. It actually derives from Latin word called serra or sierra. And if you ever see or meet people whose last name is Serrano, which is a very common Spanish last name, or perhaps you've seen jamón serrano or chile serranos, the word serrano in all of these cases means a person or a thing that comes to us from the mountains. Now, you don't need to know any of that for this recipe. For this recipe, you just need to have either a chile serrano or a chile jalapeno, whichever one you want to choose. The jalapenos are less spicy, the serranos are a little more spicy, but either one works. What I do recommend, however, is that you remove the seeds because they are very spicy and most people can't tolerate or don't want that much spiciness in their salsas. So if you're like that, then go ahead and remove the seeds like I'm done as well. And it goes without saying, but it's worth reminding that because this is a raw salsa, everything needs to be very clean, right? So we need to wash all our vegetables just before making the salsa, and because we don't want to introduce any contamination into the dish itself. Next, combine all these ingredients together into a blender and blend it until it's perfectly smooth. Finally, add some salt to enhance all these ingredients, and don't be too shy with your salt. I think about 3 to 5 grams is gonna do it justice, and it's gonna really enhance all the flavors. You can save this salsa in the refrigerator for about a week or so. It should keep fresh, and you can serve it with tacos, especially chorizo tacos. Those would be very delicious with the salsa. Quesadillas perhaps, or anything else you'd really like. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, hit that thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. As always, you'll find this recipe and other recipes down in the description below. And if you have any questions about this recipe, also leave a comment down below. I try to get back to everybody here. And that's all I got for you today. Until next time, live long and prosper.